How did you do that before you had the BurButler? What was your...
So I had different blocks that I actually had designed with, like, they were Brasler blocks. So I had one for crown and bridge, and I had one for operative and one for polishing. And I had them, and they worked out pretty decent for several years. But over time, with all of the sterilization and putting them in the ultrasonic, they start to fade. You start to lose the even just the mechanics of it, how it opens and closes. And then a lot of times I was finding the burrs would fall out. So once the burrs fall out of the block in the sterilization process, then trying to organize or put them back or opening them in some fall when they come out of the pouch wasn't very convenient. And then when I saw that the silicone had the ability to retain the burrs in the block, I thought that was going to be something much better for me. And then what I did was, after, realizing how many different burrs I had in these setups that I really didn't use. So, where you have your favorite 3 or 4 burrs from this block and 2 or 3 from this block. So it wasn't very efficient after I had all these different burrs that I thought I was going to need them all, and I never really use them anyway. So I picked my favorite of each setup, and then I just used the one. So now I have, the same size block, and now it's universal and has everything I need for any of the procedures, the restorative procedures. So it has my polishers, crown and bridge. It can also hold the latch attachment, so it doesn't discriminate. So if you're doing a high-speed burr friction grip or latch, either one can go into the block. So you don't need a separate size hole or a separate block to carry those. So now it's like one size fits all, clean and neat, and that's what I've been using. So I'm very happy with it.
It's a lovely moment when you first see how the BurButler works and you nervously turn it upside down and go.
Right. Yeah.
What was your first word? It's like, oh.
I know. Sometimes they're in there so good.
And how did the staff sort of get value from using them, time efficiency wise?
Well, I guess for them it's better because they don't hear me saying, where's this burr, where's that burr, where this one's missing, go get me that one. So like, I'm sure they're enjoying not being given multiple extra steps, right? Because like they have to go get whatever I need if I don't have it at the time. So it makes us all more efficient, and I'm not losing burrs left and right either.
And did I hear you say, do you pouch the BurButler as well as?
Yes. Yes. Sterilization pouch and autoclave. Yeah.
We actually, I must send you some to have a look at. We now have a new deep pouch. We use a heat sealer for this, and it's actually a 3-dimensional pouch. So
I see. Yeah.
The floor space. Basically, you seal one end, put your BurButler in, and you can see.
I don't have that machine.